Hi, I'm Sandra Porter. We're going to talk about how we can use iCn3D to explore amino acids by hydrophobicity. Now I could just open up the color menu and choose hydrophobicity. We're going to use the Wimley White scale. That's going to color all the amino acids according to hydrophobicity. And I could show them, make them ball and stick. The challenge is I don't know what the colors mean. I can't tell what colors correspond to charged amino acids, what colors correspond to hydrophobic amino acids, what colors indicate amino acids that are polar but not charged, and what colors indicate amino acids that are somewhere in between. I can figure all this out by using the select by properties function that we talked about earlier. So right now I'm going to reset everything. I open view, I choose reset all, and that takes me back to the original view of this protein. And now we're going to select by property. So let's start out. I open up select, I choose by property, and I'm going to choose the hydrophobic amino acids. Okay, those are all selected in my structure and in my sequence, and I can write down the letters of the hydrophobic amino acids so I can refer to those later. Now I'm going to make them all drawn with a ball and stick drawing style. And I'm going to color all these by the Wimley White hydrophobicity scale. So these are all hydrophobic. Okay. And I can record the names and note that these are hydrophobic amino acids. Now I'm going to clear the selection. So I open up select, I choose clear selection. Now I'd like to look at amino acids that are not hydrophobic. So I'm going to say select by property, and I'm going to choose amino acids that are polar. Okay, so all the polar amino acids are highlighted. And these amino acids, by the way, are not the charged amino acids. Now those are also polar, but they have a charge, so they're really hydrophilic. So we'll select them in another way. Okay, so I'm going to open style. I'm going to choose ball and stick so I can see the side chains. I'm going to choose color and choose hydrophobicity again. And now I can write down the letters. It's not quite so easy to see here, but I can kind of hold my cursor over them and see the letters appear below. Or I can even see that the letters are appearing on the second line right below the ones that were selected. I'm going to clear the selection. And you can see we still have some amino acids here that have not been drawn with ball and stick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these and we can select amino acids that have a charge. So I can say by property, positive charge. And you can see these are ones that have not already been colored by hydrophobicity. And we'll pick hydrophobicity, Wimley White. Draw them with a ball and stick drawing style. And now I'm going to clear the selection, pick the amino acids that have negative charge. And you can see again, these are ones that have not had a hydrophobicity coloring style applied yet. So I can take these and draw them with a ball and stick chain, and I'm going to color by hydrophobicity Wimley White. Okay, and we will clear the selection. You may notice that the colors that are used for charge in the Wimley White scale are the same colors that are used for charge when we color by charge. So that's a little bit helpful. And are there any amino acids that we have not selected yet? We can check this out by choosing color, hydrophobicity, Wimley White. And yeah, it looks like No, I guess actually it looks like we've got everything here. Okay, so now we know a little bit about amino acids and how to figure out how hydrophobic or hydrophilic they are by using properties.